टाइटल सुन के चौंक गए ना? That's right. We are going on a vacation, Bobbies. And today Shefali is taking me shopping. She's like, you don't have clothes for a vacation. We have come to Uniqlo, which is in Orion Mall. Shefali, tell us about Uniqlo.
Uniqlo is a Japanese brand. They had Roger Federer as their brand ambassador and Kareena Kapoor as their brand ambassador in India.
Okay.
And they have very, very big outlets across the world. I think they had one in Mumbai and Delhi. Now it's come to Bangalore.
On first impressions, I hate this store. It's so jam-packed. I'm feeling a little suffocated in here. It's like a grocery shop in here, okay?
Maybe you should stop cribbing and shop a little. You'll actually find something.
No, but like, look at how the place is done up. It's like a grocery store with high-rise shelves and so closely packed. My personal fashion assistant Shefali has picked out a few clothes for me.
Yes.
Do you think I'll look good in it?
Of course, since I picked it out.
Let's go to the fitting room and try it on. Bro, one thing I have to mention, the staff here is super sweet. And they're also damn cute, bro. Like, damn cute. And I don't mean this in like an attractive way. I'm just meaning in the way they greet you and the way they talk to you. Right, chef?
Yeah.
They're damn
They're
cute.
damn cute.
Since winter is almost here, Bobbies,
It's here.
it's here, yeah.
It's 9 degrees in Bangalore, guys. Open the weather app.
Shefali has picked out this,
Sorry.
what is this called? Pullover.
Sweatshirt.
Sweatshirt. She's picked out this sweatshirt for me. Let's see if it fits well. It's too big. But then length is, oh, it's not too big, no?
It fits the way it's supposed to fit.
Bobbies, let me know in the comments, Shefali's fashion choice, is it any good?
It looks nice.
Looks good, no? Yeah, I think this is also a fit, bro.
Yeah, it is a fit. If a white collar t-shirt.
If I get a white collar t-shirt,
How much is it?
let's buy a white collar t-shirt and let's wear this now. Bobbies, we picked out a lot of clothes. Look at my fashion assistant. She's billing it for me now. Look
Bro,
at the jacket.
expensive, bro. This is going
What
to
is
be.
expensive?
All of this
fuck,
together
bro.
is going to be expensive.
15k bill, bro.
And your jacket.
If I add this jacket, how much will the bill come out to?
17.
That's crazy. How much of this is yours?
3,000 is mine.
Should we buy it?
Yeah, buy it. Unless you want to remove something.
ये हम है और ये हमारी शॉपिंग हो रही है गाइस. शेफाली की भी शॉपिंग करा दी आज तो. मेरा इतना बड़ा बिल बन रहा था. I'm like, चल यार डाल दे, तेरे को भी आज दिला देते हैं. So I wanted to try on the clothes at Uniqlo, but I couldn't because the fitting rooms were packed. There was a line that went till outside the store. So I just bought the clothes, came into the men's washroom, and I'm trying it on here. So this is the one which I don't think will fit, but let's see. Oh, not bad, bro. It fit. It fits perfectly.
Yeah, too perfect. Like, I
Right?
love the fit.
This is the jacket that I paid 5k for, man. Let's see if I look good in this fit. Chef, how does it look?
Yeah, it looks nice only. Yeah, you look like a college boy.
A college boy?
Yeah,
I am a college boy. I look like a Delhi ka londa in this, right?
time to leave you.
I'm going back to the salesman at Uniqlo who sold me this outfit to say thank you. Excuse me, brother. How's it looking?
Very good.
Good, no? Good. Say hi to the vlog. Guys, he sold me this clothing, guys.
Hi.
It's nice. Thank you, brother. Thank you so much. The iconic.
Trade Center, guys. World Trade Center.
Bro, this looks so pretty, bro.
This
Damn
I don't
nice.
like, but yeah.
Come, we'll go grab a bite. What is this? I like this place. Chef, come here.
Toscano.
Oh, this is Toscano. I don't like Toscano, guys.
Yeah.
You guys keep saying now, why don't you go to Toscano? I fucking hate Toscano. We've decided to go to You Me. Bobbies, we out here at You Me. Look at the vibes, bro. This place looks damn pretty. We have ordered, how many pieces sushi?
12 pieces. See.
We've ordered 12 pieces sushi and post which we will probably go somewhere else to grab chicken. I am feeling like, my body is craving for some protein right now. It's like about to collapse on itself. It's like, Mohit, your big fat muscles need some protein. Guys, I'm catching a cold. Fucking, we are going on a vacation and I'm catching a cold. Classic. But as per the shopping, did you guys make any guesses where we are going? We bought all of this. Where do you think the location is? Here comes our sushi. We've gotten 3 different types. That's tuna, crispy tuna. Basically, the crispy is a tempura flake. Then there's salmon, and there's salmon with avocado. That's a lot of sushi. Actually, why am I saying it's a lot? I know Chef Ali alone will finish all of that.
Yeah, that's actually too. Wait, let me take a picture.
Arigato gozaimasu. Let's eat. Yumi has upped their sushi quality. It wasn't this good earlier. Definitely better now. Looks damn good also. The sushi was really fucking good, bro. Yumi has improved the quality by a huge margin. Now we're going to Bombay Brasserie to go get some chicken tikka bobbies.
I want to go here though.
What is this? Bama. Sorry, boss. No veg today. We're going to Bombay Brasserie to get some chicken tikka. I hope they're open. Are they open all day long? Here we are at Bombay Brasserie. I've ordered one chicken tikka and one mutton seekh kebab. By the way, we've been to this place in 2022. Since then, we've not come back. We haven't, right?
Yeah, we haven't come back.
We've never come because I didn't like it the first time I went to Bombay Brasserie in Indiranagar. I ordered a biryani and some chaats that day. Chaats were fine, biryani was terrible. But today we're back here and my cold is getting progressively worse by the second.
It's been 3 years since we came here.
Yeah, that's what I just said. 2022. Guys, you saw that? 30 seconds I was talking, Shefali was doing math in her head. 2022 से लेके 2025 में कितने साल हुए? So I've gotten one chai as well because my cold, bro, it's pissing me off. Chai is here, Bobbies. Do you want to try it first?
Yeah, but I don't want to try it without sugar, so you go.
Okay, so we don't know if there's sugar in this or not because they've given sugar on this side. Oh, nice branding, bro. Right? Nice branding they've done. Bombay Brasserie. What a tea. Wow.
It's not my taste.
Not your taste? I like it.
It's heavy on that tea powder also, like red label I can taste.
I like that.
I think you're liking it more because...
Because I'm sick.
yeah,
Possibly,
it's
yes.
probably not that nice.
Yeah, I think I'm not able to judge it very well today.
Give him a cup of hot water and he'll be like, what a nice glass of hot water, guys. How lovely, huh? This weather, the hot water.
Shefali humor, huh? Peak humor.
You laughed, shut the fuck up.
Did you guys laugh? Did you guys laugh? Can we do one more tea, please? Same. Sir. Yeah, thank you.
You'll only drink.
I'll only drink. Bobbies, you see the smoke? Sir? Yeah, please, service, please. That's the chicken tikka. Here's the chicken tikka taste test, Bobbies. It's not as juicy as a fine dining tikka we are used to, but it's not bad. The spice mix is good though. It's not your typical tandoori masala. They mentioned that it's some Rajasthani lal mirch spice.
Yummy.
Can you taste fennel? Good strong flavor of fennel coming through. Honestly, this setting where we are seated right now, very pretty. Looks really neat. Doesn't it, chef?
Yeah, it looks very nice.
Great ambience. This is what Shefali chose. This is a lamb seekh kebab with some naan down there. You see the seekh kebab here and the sirke wali pyaz. I like it.
I think the dip is too sweet for me.
Dip is too sweet, that's true. We're gonna let Shefali enjoy her naan and kebab. We're gonna be drinking one more tea. Cheers, Bobbies. If anybody is watching this while drinking tea, cheers karo mere saath.
Bro, honestly, I feel like it's a skill to be able to make the same chai every day and be consistent with how it tastes.
Shefali had a roommate in London who used to make very consistently good chai. Her name's Aditi. Aditi, if
Yeah.
you're watching this, I want to try your tea someday, okay?
Yeah, she came to Bangalore and she made tea for us at home.
Oh,
Yeah, like for my mom and I. Too good.
unfortunately, I didn't get to try that, Aditi.
Bro, there's a hole.
There's a hole. Obviously, there's a hole. Did Shefali just say that?
Yeah.
How do you think they make seekh kebab?
I don't know.
They take a skewer.
But they wrap it around.
Yeah, the minced meat is laid on top of the skewer and then it is charred.
I forgot.
You forgot. What they taught you in school that you forgot. What is this, bro?
Do you want to hear that you have pimples on your face?
I know I have pimples on my face. Thanks for reminding.
I also have. It's okay. We're
This-
twinning.
This pimple came when I went out with Nishok. Milano, I went to.
Yeah, you said it on the vlog also, right?
Vlog also. Guys, Shefali cannot.
speak in front of a camera.
She can't speak in general.
Shut the fuck up. I can speak, okay?
Sisya, where are you? When are you leaving?
Once my mom wakes up,
Okay, approx what time?
maybe like 7.
That was my Sisya Nishok. We are meeting for dinner. Shefali wants to go home. She's ditching me. She's like, I need to pack and get ready for the trip. I need to do my nails. I need to do my hair.
Man, it's already done.
Oh, you did your nails?
Yeah, see?
Nice. This is not the color that I picked.
Yeah. Because this time I paid for it. I'm freezing.
You're freezing. You want? I'll give you. Tell no, you want.
Yeah, now you actually have a jacket to give
You
me.
want? Take no. I can
I
show
think
my...
you need it more than I do. He's
See-
a girl, guys.
You need it more than I do. Crazy. Chalo, let's go. Bobbies, Shefali's gone home now and I'm with the boys.
Yes, time for the boys now. Boys time now.
But yes, I'm with Nishok and I'm with Hari. Say hi, bro.
What's up,
Show your leg. Guys, Hari broke his leg. Tell us the story.
Bro? So one dude came and ran into me, and I fell on the road. It was a bad scene, bro.
Guys, hit and run. Hit and run. Somebody just hit him and ran off. So we are at Brisket and Chops, Bobbies. This is in K-Town. What's K-Town, bro? Commonalty, boys. K-Town we are in, okay? And
Druggy town, bro.
S-Town.
S-Town. Shout out on the show is saying. Guys, please control your language. It's a family-friendly vlog. But we are in K-Town, Bobbies, and we're going to be getting some chicken. They have really good jerk chicken. Oh, brother, how are you doing?
All good.
Remember me or forgot me?
I remember you, brother.
I came back.
Yeah.
So, brother, we'll do 2 jerk chickens. Bro, this is the jerk chicken that I've come here for. Bro, it's the best shit ever. Nishok, how is it?
9.7 on 10.
9.7, guys. He doesn't give a 10 because the only thing he's given a 10 is me. I am a 10 on 10. Right? Correct, Nishok? No. 11. I'm 11. Look at this jerk chicken, man. Shit. Oh, too good. Too fucking good.
Just show this. Bro, the amount of juice. Just see this.
It's dripping, bro. That's the only wet thing Nishok is going to be touching for a long time. Last time I brought Nishok here, he drank that soup and he burnt his tongue.
1 week I couldn't eat.
Yeah.
1 whole week.
But that day, even after burning himself, he still belted that jerk chicken.
Yeah, I was like, fuck this shit. I burned my tongue. I was gonna send it.
It's that good, bro, the jerk chicken here.
Daddy Nishok has brought us to Milano. He paid for it.
So we've gotten truffle and pistachio, dark chocolate and hazelnut, Nutella brownie, and what was this? Almond, coffee almond. You like your pistachio? Hari likes pistachio, bro. It's good. I didn't like pistachio, bro. But this is elite, huh? This is the best combo, bro. Belgian and hazelnut. I have a terrible cold, and yet I'm enjoying the ice cream. As long as I don't get fat, bro, I'll bear with the cold.